After hours of meticulous design, it's time to turn the dream of the DBS 770 Singlestone into a reality. It starts its life on the factory floor in Gaydon.
Once the car is fully rendered and signed off by the customer, there begins a long process of developing new bespoke content for the car. This can be anything from CAD production, testing, sourcing, manufacturing with a supplier, all the way up to getting it actually fitted onto the car on the production line. And there's a lot of work to cram into 16-week lead time. It's always great to work with a client that has a really good appreciation for the brand and perhaps has Astons that they've already owned, because they tend to be more willing to push the boundaries of what we can do in bespoke, try new materials and processes, and get something truly personal out of the process.
What's really surprised and challenged me about the design process with this car is the extravagance of it, really. It's kind of above and beyond what's almost outscale of the car itself.
On this car, the features that I'm particularly proud of are all the bespoke leather goods in the interior, which we've never done before. We used an external party that's previously made handbags for the royal family, and so it was really fun to work in their workshop and draw on their expertise.
Tustings is an established British leather brand that prides itself on classic, timeless design and luxurious leather goods, held in the highest regard in the UK, supplying both Aston Martin and the royal family. All products are made on British soil. They design and produce unique saddle leather goods, luggage, and interiors for Aston Martin models in the portfolio, alongside bespoke, one-off accessories and leather designs for Q commission projects. Tustings were commissioned to design and create a bespoke boot liner, rear seat packs, umbrella straps, floor mats, and a beautiful seat of matching luggage.
I think when you're creating something that's never been made before, I think that's really special. So the saddle leather luggage in the rear environment, and also the bespoke luggage for the trunk. This design here shows you how we incorporated the saddle leather around the outside with some bespoke fittings, and incorporating the customer's chosen bespoke quilt design.
After all leatherwork fixtures and fittings are created, and they are brought to Aston Martin Gaydon, where a team of skilled hands collaborate in finishing and finessing the car's final bespoke details.
There are many people involved in building Aston Martin, especially a bespoke one like this. It's hard to put a number on how many people have contributed to this car.
The carbon fibre engine cover was inspired by what we did on the Last of 9 DB9, where lots of the people involved in it signed the engine cover. He liked to see people making their mark, being proud of their work, and creating something especially for them.
It was the client's idea for everyone to sign the carbon fibre engine cover. I think this is a great idea to give recognition to everyone who's worked on the car. No one single-handedly built an Aston Martin, and it's great for us all to put our stamp on a car that we can be truly proud of.
As such a unique piece of automotive artistry, having the craftsman's names forever marked on the Singlestone's engine is perfectly fitting. And of course, its owner should play a unique part in the production too.
Placing the wings on the car is the final step in the production process, and it's usually done by the same person on the production line. It's extremely rare that a customer would be able to do this, so it's a real privilege for him to be able to place his own wings on the DBS.